How to use a redeem gift card on Shein. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can redeem your Shein gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you have a gift card that you want to redeem on the Shein app, it is actually very simple to do so, because all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all make sure to launch a Shein shopping application here. Once you launch the Shein app, you're going to see this type of interface where what you need to do is just tap on the cart icon from the bottom right and go to the checkout page first of all. So add the products you want to buy to your cart and then just head over to the checkout page. Once you head over to the checkout page, enter your shipping details and then scroll down. Under payment methods, if you have a voucher code, you can apply them, but if you want to redeem and use a gift card, right here you'll find this option known as gift card. So you can tap the gift card option here. Simply make sure to enter the card number as well as the PIN. Once you enter both of these details, you'll be able to tap the apply button. If the details are correct, then the gift card will be successfully applied depending on its value, and then you can simply update the payment option and then continue to the checkout process. This way you can go ahead and then redeem your Shein gift card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.